As you know, I come from Denmark. Yes, that little country known for milk, pork, H.C. Andersen,
Christian Eriksen, Lucas Graham, Mads Mikkelsen, butter cookies, Royal Copenhagen, being the second happiest country in the world.
Anyway, I was born and grew up there, but now I moved to Korea for love. Korea has been so good to me, but do I sometimes, just sometimes, feel homesick and miss Denmark for its little beauty, nature, and slow-pacedness?
Michin.
Yes, I do. So I found the perfect solution to help this feeling. This is nice, look at that. A little spa area. Surprisingly, things are closing quite early here. So we're just heading out really quick to eat some brunch. They're closing soon, so it's...
가볼까?
We're heading out and we're bringing this big luggage with us. Today we're going to a green tea museum called Osoruk Museum and Tea House. We are here. Fit check. Okay. Okay, so Hojin ordered a peanut Alfredo. I'm not a fan of peanut because I heard that it has like mold. Guys, we got so much ice cream. I'm so impressed. Let me show you.
Yep.
Every matcha lover's dream. We finished our drinks and there were some really sweet girls next to us who recognized us. And that was like such a wholesome moment, guys. I was so happy. We are going to the green tea field now. Look at that.
Actually, when they said hi to Jenny, I was blowing my nose.
Yeah.
It was really like
그리고
not a good time. I was insecure.
아이고 진짜? Got cucumber salad, some seaweed broccoli, fish cake, which looks so cute. They look like aliens, guys. I don't like this.
So this is this cute.
맛있어. The shrimp is so big and it looks kind of like an alien. Some soy. We're gonna marinate it a little bit.
Fish. Wow, it's flying a lot. The legs are so strong.
Okay, we found the cave. Let's go. This is an actual cave, guys. I'm scared. What if it collapses?
Oh.
Where? What if there's a crocodile in here?
Guys,
We're stuck.
there's no way. Oh,
가자.
is this water clean?
I don't know.
Where is it from?
Someone's toilet. Oh my god. It's too wet in those caves, bruh. Couldn't they have warned me? It's like raining inside. I can't see anything because Hojun is putting the flashlight in my face. We just spent 2.5 hours in the park and it costed 15,000 per person, so I thought that's actually on the pricier side for just to enter a park. But it's not just a park, guys. It's literally a zoo, and there were also like fruit trees. That felt like a real part of Jeju, you know, the Jeju Island experience. And now we're gonna go and eat some food. It was delicious, and we're gonna go home soon. Oh my god!
I didn't expect they would pull all of them.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
This phantom. 체험 언제 하는데?
그거는 10월 달부터 3월 달까지. 이거 막 두세 개씩 오늘 다 나가요 이게.
They have like this type of dents. Very uneven, very ugly actually, but they taste so good. It's really easy to open it.
진짜 쉽네. 와. Does it fly? 10?
10?
It's from a greener house.
Outfit?
Yeah, I'll go.
Hello, it's our last whole day here. Tomorrow is the day we depart.
제니랑 제주도를 처음 왔는데 생각보다 너무 좋네요. 제니가 자연을 많이 좋아해서 제주도가 자연을 좋아하는 사람들한테는 정말 오기 좋은 장소인 것 같아요. 자연이 좋아지고 있어요. 하이.
안녕하세요. 빨리 들어오셨네? 아, 좀 쉬다가 간다. 아, 그래. 피곤하네.
crab there.
Where?
Here. Are you ready? How is that?
Oh, it's crab.
I wanna push him a little without hurting him. No.
It's quite tiring to drive.
Yeah, you're driving all the time. You're taking a lot of space.
There is no place I'd rather be than right here next to you.
두 분이라고 해서 이 기본차.
And I truly love to talk about your lovers. Oh,
This is where we lived for 3 nights and it was super cute. We got this little house for ourselves and these are like apartments.
Like I'm gonna eat ramen.
Squid tempura, shrimp kimbap and abalone kimbap. And here we got an abalone ramyeon. This is a matcha tiramisu latte and here is another matcha latte. I just love how it's so green. I can never make it this beautifully green when I make a matcha latte. And we're gonna work a little here, guys. And we are going home now. Goodbye. Goodbye, Jeju Island.